Yeah, welcome back to my latest video. So in this video, I'm going to present the Excel add-in that I created to do some automation on Excel end, right? So this is my second video on creating Excel add-in using something called Office script. So which is based on JavaScript, TypeScript, right? So you can use your JavaScript and TypeScript knowledge or skill to automate your Excel, right? So I will tell you how to set up your environment and do this. Okay, so you can also watch out my previous video how I used that VLOOKUP assist add-in to assist users in doing the VLOOKUP automation, right? So this is about a scenario where you are some kind of auditor or a security person evaluating the username password. Say you have a username password in an Excel, right? So that is a hypothetical situation, right? I don't think most organization will have password in the clear text, but suppose you have such scenario where you need to evaluate the strength of password set by the users, and that data could be coming from your database. Ideally, you should not save the password in clear text in database also, but just take this as a hypothetical situation where you have such thing where you have username in column A and passwords in column B, right? And you need to find out the scores and command so that you can finalize the password strength is being set by users in your organization, right? So this tool is for that. This add-in is for that. For example, my password is in column B, and I have 6 or 5 rows. Okay, so B2 to B6, and I want my score and comments to be in C and D. Okay, so basically I need to do this C2 to D6. Let me put validate. So you can see it has quickly given you score. What is the score and comments, if any, right? So this seems to be score 4, even not great, right? Even though it is saying strong, but it is not that great. It should be 9 or 10 maybe. So these are your password score, and this is the comment. Okay, so how this works, right? So there is a JavaScript library that is this library. Let me show you. Okay, so this is the library that does that magic. Okay, so before I go into code, I will tell you how you can set up your environment to build Office Excel add-in, right? So hope you have a node installed on your PC. If you don't, please go ahead and install the node, and then you can run this npm install generator office package. And after that, you have to I will share this in my blog. So once that is done, you have to run this. Okay, so this will create the scaffolding. So you can see all the scaffold, right? So all these folders and files will be created by using this package, right? So you can follow this npx view office. Okay, so before that, it will ask for you office generator. So that is what you need to do first. Then you can do that npx your office, and then it will ask for which application, right? You can build add-ins for multiple office applications. So you have to choose excel, then taskpane, and the name of your project, right? So once you do that, you will get these folders and files, and what we need is this taskpane thing, right? This is where we need to put our logic. So this will come with taskbit or css and html is the UI that you are seeing here, right? So this UI you have to design in HTML, and as you know, you can put your CSS here, right? So this comes up with some basic CSS and HTML. You can replace those code with your code, and your actual JavaScript logic runs inside this Taskpane.js, right? So I have installed this. You can do install this package npm install this package zxcvbn, excellent package to strength your to check your password strength, right? It provides a lot of details, right? Like this, if you see you provide any password, it will give you more details, in-depth details, how it cracked that password, how much time it took, blah blah blah, along with the score and warning and suggestions, right? So in my code, I'm getting those value from, yeah, I'm getting those values from user, from the UI that you can see. This is the UI, right? And as I explained, you can put your UI logic in HTML and CSS. Sorry, not the UI logic, UI layout. And in Taskpane.js, I'm handling the input from user, and I'm using this library, as I said, zxcvbn. Okay, and simply writing back to the Excel, as you can see, right, as you have seen in the demo. All right, I believe you liked it. If you liked it, please like, subscribe, and share, and please do leave your comments. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your time. Thank you.